Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Ghostek case lineup for your Google Pixel 7 and your Pixel 7 Pro. Now, all of these cases you could get from Ghostek. I'll throw the link up in the description. The prices range from $18 to $100. All right, so let's get right into it. First up, we got the Covert Limited Edition. Now, this one starts at $18. Now, on the side note, the Nautical Slim and the Covert, these are limited edition. Now, Ghostek is only making 100 pieces per color, and they're going to come individually numbered. I like that. Okay, now this one comes in blue, teal, purple, red, black, and gray. Now, as far as the features, you got a minimalistic, lightweight design, scratch-proof, crystal clear back, R2X shock-absorbent corners, yellowing resistant protection, comfortable non-slip grip, raised camera lens perimeter, lifted bumper to protect your screen. You got military grade drop tested, withstands drops from 8 feet, and it supports wireless charging and reverse wireless charge. All right, so $18 on this one. Like I said, limited edition. Y'all know how I feel about that. Let's check this one out. Okay, nice black box. I like that. Giggity. Let's see. Now, this is going to be your Covert case. Let's see. Inserts. Flick of the wrist. Now, check this out. This piece is numbered 59 out of 100. Okay, so there's only 99 left. Y'all better act quick. Okay, let me go ahead and save this. Let's see. Thank you for purchasing. Plug it and file it. And, of course, Ghostek troll stickers and all your social media sites. Okay, so this is the Covert. Now, check this one out. You got your hard shell clear on the back. Okay, let's see. Buttons, cutouts. Everything lines up. Let's go ahead and strap this one on. Just like that. Let's get a little wipe down. We need the dramatic effect. There it is. The Covert. Now, Ghostek is slowly becoming one of my favorite case manufacturers. Look at that razivity. Slam Boy certified. Let's check the buttons. Okay, no issues at all. Let's see all of the cutouts line up. Let's check wireless charge. Okay, there's your wireless charge. Now, your camera's nice and recessed. Lightweight style case. Okay, nice grippy feel to it. Real nice. Now, we got another one. Okay, limited edition. Let's check this one out. Okay, now this is the blue color. Okay, let's get to the numbers. Let's get to the numbers. Okay, number 68. Okay, individually numbered. I like this kind of stuff. Okay, I like this kind of stuff. Let me save my troll stickers. Okay, so this is the Covert in blue. Now, all of these cases are available for the 7 and the 7 Pro. Let's wipe it down. Look at that. Transparent back. Showcase the color of your phone. Whilst, there's that word again, whilst getting maximum protection. Slam Boy certification. All right, so this is the Ghostek Covert. Let's keep it moving. All right, so next up, we got the Nautical Slim. Now, this one is going to run you $40. It comes in black and gray. Let's go through the features. You got full body water-like design, protective camera lens cover, enhanced call sound quality, submersible to 6 feet underwater, durable built-in screen protector, heavy-duty shock-proof protection, tough military-grade construction, withstands drops and falls from 12 feet. Now, you got grazed camera and screen bumper edges. You got charging rubber flex port. You got scratch-resistant back, crisp responsive buttons, wireless charge compatible, tough shock-absorbent corners, and rugged rubberized trim with grip. All right, so all of that for $40. Like I said, it comes in black and gray. Now, before we pop it open, ladies and gentlemen, late but still great, White Shoes is back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes,
I love my...
calm down. Okay, so this is the Ghostek Nautical Slim. Okay, $40 on this. Let's check it out. Flick of the wrist. Okay, pamphlets. Now, it does come with your lanyard loop. Okay, let's see. Wet wipes, troll stickers, social media information, everything you need for assembly. Okay, so let's go ahead and peel this plastic off. Right. Okay, that's the back. And this is going to be the inside. Okay, so we'll peel the plastic off last. Let's drop this on the 7. Okay, so here's what you're going to do. Put the back on first. Just like that. Then we'll just slap it on. Okay, so let's... Matter of fact, we'll put the outside on first. Put the back on. Now, this is a water-resistant case. So just make sure you go all the way around. Nice shoes. I need you to calm down. Okay, bang, just like that. Now, if you want to, you can use the lanyard loop. Let's see how easy this is to put in. Now, if my my impatient ass could do this, you could do it. Let's see. Oh, look at that. That was nice and easy. Like a gentleman. Okay. Wrap it around. Bang, there it is. Okay. So this is going to be your Nautical Slim case. Look at the back. Everything is protected. You got your metallized buttons. Let's see how they work. Okay. Easy access to the buttons. Let's see if we can get wireless charge through this. Okay. There's your wireless charge. Let's see on the bottom. You got a little flap right here. Now, this is going to keep it fully water resistant. All right, let me grab a little unboxing knife, because we got to get to poking for this one. Let's see. Bang, just like that. Okay, so this is going to protect your USB Type-C charging slot. Okay, make sure everything is nice and tight. And of course, Slam Boy certified. This is the protective case. Now, let me see. I'm going to peel the plastic off of this. Right. Okay, little wipe down. Here it is. This is pretty sick. Okay, $40 on this one. This is the Nautical Slim. Let's see how it looks on the 7 Pro. Now I'm going to pause the video and drop it on correctly. All right, so here's how it looks on the 7 Pro. Your phone is fully protected. Let's see, you can use the screen with the screen protector on. No issues. There's the button again. Slam Boy certified. Okay, so this is the Nautical Slim. Like I said, it comes in black and gray. Let's keep it moving. All right, so one more side note with the Nautical Slim. Now this case is super easy to take on and off. When you're ready to peel it out, just go to the bottom, peel everything out, release your phone just like that. All right, so next up, we got the Exec. Now this one is gonna run you $40. It comes in black, gray, and pink. Let's go through the features. You got next gen Pixel magnetic wallet, R7X heavy-duty shockproof design, MagnaLink magnets built into the case, secure locking design for attachments, magnetic card holder, holds up to 3 cards. You got raised camera lens border perimeter, lifted bumper edges to protect the screen, tough shock absorbing corners, secure anti-slip grip, withstands drops to 12 feet, and supports wireless charging. All right, $40 on this one. Now, on a side note, if you watch my iPhone 14 Pro Max Ghostek case video, you will see that the Exec is one of my new favorite wallet style cases. This is probably the best wallet. Let's check this out. Inside, okay, all your materials. Ghostek troll stickers. Let me go ahead and save those. Check this out. Nice rugged style case. Look at the grips on the sides. Okay, there's your buttons, cutouts. And look at this case. Now the magnet is super strong. That's one of the things that I love about Ghostek cases. These magnets, all right, they're not gonna fall off. And look at the wallet. Now when you open up the wallet, I just put some more stuff in here for the dramatic effect. But this would be my driver's license, debit card, maybe one of my business cards. Locks in there, but watch this. On the inside, look at that. Velvet. Okay, so it's not gonna mess up any of your cards. Slap them back in. No flappage. All right, let's drop this back on. Okay, no flappage. The wallet's not going to open back up. Let's drop a phone in here. Okay, bang, just like that. Now let's check wireless charge without the wallet. Okay, there's your wireless charge. Look at the razivity on this. Slamboy certified, but most importantly, that wallet. Now watch this. The flappage test. The wallet's not going to flap open. You got to actually want to open this. Okay? You gotta want to open up the wallet. Now, real quick, let me show you how it looks. Here's the gray version. We're dropping on the 7. Bang, just like that. Same Slamboy certifications. And of course, the extra strength magnet on the wallet. I love it. Okay, so this is the Ghostek Exec. Best wallet style case on the market. Let's keep it moving. All right, so I saved my favorite case for last. We got the Atomic Slim. Now this one's gonna run you between $50 and $100, depending on which one you choose. Now this is another one of those limited edition cases. Remember, individually numbered, and they're only making 100 per color. All right, so this one has next-gen dual-layer construction, redesigned aluminum bumper, does not interfere with cell signal, scratch-resistant crystal clear back, flexible TPU inner skin, reinforced drop protection, comfortable non-slip hand grip, raised camera lens perimeter, lifted edges to protect your screen, R7X shock-absorbent corners, military-grade standard tested. You got withstand drops from 12 feet and supports wireless charging. Now this one comes in gunmetal with brown leather, blue, green, purple, silver, orange with fabric, or red with armored fibers, also known as carbon fiber. Okay, so here we go. Atomic Slim. Let's check this out. Nice black limited edition box. I like that. Okay. Now, one more side note. This is one of my favorite iPhone 14 Pro Max cases. Okay, the Atomic Slim. I love the aluminum bumpers. Super strong magnets. Crazy. But now we got one for the Pixel. Okay, same hard shell back. Okay, 2-part style case, TPU with the aluminum frame. Okay, I'm not gonna keep killing y'all with the aluminum. Inside, you got all your stuff. Let's see. Number 16 out of 100. Okay, so there's really only 99 of these left. Y'all better jump on this one. Let's see, this looks like for the 7. Okay, so we'll slap this one on. Ooh, look at that. Woo! Look at that. Let's check that button. Okay, easy access to the button. Let's check wireless charge. Okay, there's your wireless charge. This one, I gotta say it, feels so good in the hands. Ladies, you know the procedures. Let's get a little wipe down. Bang, showcase the color of your phone. Okay, everything is flush on the back now. And of course, all of that juicy razivity. So it's Slamboy certified. Okay, now this one is gonna run you $50. Now, of course, I gotta show y'all my absolute favorite Ghostek case, the Atomic Slim. All right, now this one is gonna run you $100. But look at this one. This is the red with the armored fibers. Now, carbon fiber and armored fibers, they look the same, but armored is actually stronger. Okay, now let's see. This one is, okay, number 4 out of 100. This is a collector's edition right here for me. I love this one. Look at this on the inside. You see that? That soft felt material. Feels like velvet. All right, y'all know I gotta say that. Velvet. On the back, look at the armored fibers. Okay. Let me go ahead and drop this one. I'm gonna rock this on my main work phone. Okay, matter of fact, this is actually for the 7. Okay. So we're dropping on the 7. Look at this though. Whew. Crazy. Okay. Let's get it in there. Bang. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Now I was just about to get rid of this 7. But after seeing this case, I might have to keep this. Shout out to my man Duke. I was getting ready to sell this one. I might have to keep this though. Look how sick this looks. All your cutouts, buttons. Let's check wireless charge. Right through the armored fibers. Look at the amount of razivity on this. Slamboy certified. Drop test approved. But the back of this, the armored fiber, this one matches my car and my car's theme. Okay, I'm definitely getting one for the big boy too. This is crazy. Like I said, if you got an iPhone 14 Pro Max, you need this because you need that magnet. But with the Pixel, look how this looks. Anyway, this is the Atomic Slim. Number 4 out of 100. Limited edition. Let's go ahead and wrap this one up. All right, so this is the official Ghostek case lineup for your Google Pixel 7 and your Pixel 7 Pro. Now, all of these cases are official tissue. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss on that one. Deuces. Spock one to beam up. Energize.
I want everybody to subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real tech reviews. Now, Flossy Carter, we know you flossy. Now, guess what? I'm flashy. Money May all day, the one and only. Flossy Carter, you part of the money team.